What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Phezz.
And this is The Commodity. And today we're reacting to 9 multi-billion, I would imagine, dollar projects that will transform Cebu. Cebu Cordova Link Expressway, Isla de la Victoria.
I was about to say Isla Nubar. What movie?
No, I have no idea.
Isla Sorna?
I was just trying to laugh to make you feel like you knew. Or I knew.
So you don't know Isla Nubar?
No.
Isla Sorna?
No.
Jurassic Park?
Yes.
Yeah. Those are from that.
Why is that relevant to Jurassic Park?
That's the name of the islands they're on.
Oh.
Let me know down in the comments if you got it right off the top.
All right, let's go ahead and...
No, I was laughing at the 9 multi-billion. I was like, that's a lot. That's a weird way of saying 9 billion.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, we would definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. But the like button definitely helps push this video out to more people, and it helps us out in the long run. So, again, if you could, hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump on in.
For show.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Cebu is the leading major city in the Philippines, next to Manila. It is one of the biggest contributors to the economic growth of the country and is consistently held as one of the premier tourist destinations in the world. But like any other metropolis in the Philippines, Cebu is still left behind in terms of
construction
developments when compared to other major cities in the world like Singapore, Tokyo or London. This problem in slow infrastructure development is what the build program of President Duterte is trying to solve.
What the build? I think that was a typo.
Yeah.
In the shortest possible time. Fortunately for the Cebuanos, some of the big-ticket projects under the build program is
Build program.
It actually might be called the build program.
Projects that are coming or planned for Cebu under the
That's a beautiful bridge.
program. Are you ready?
If he keeps on saying it, though.
9 exciting multi-billion projects to rise in Cebu. 1. Metro Cebu Expressway, Cebu Circumferential Road. This is one of the biggest projects for Cebu that will cost.
So it said it would be done in 2022.
Probably pushed back.
Has COVID put a big stop on that?
I'm sure it has.
The total length of the road is expected to be 74 km.
Do y'all drive on the right side of the road or the left side? It looks like everything's on the left side. I thought they drove on the right side.
I thought the Philippines did as well.
Because that last video was showing them on the opposite side of the road.
Well, it looks like those cars are facing this way.
Yeah.
So they're on the right side of the road, facing this way.
But the other one was the other way.
Planned for Cebu under the
They are on the other side.
Program. Are you ready? Here are the 9 exciting multi-billion projects to rise in Cebu. 1. Metro Cebu Expressway, Cebu Circumferential Road. This is one of the biggest projects for Cebu that will cost around 20 to 30 billion. The Metro Cebu Expressway will link Danao City.
30. I see. I'm glad we did rewind it because I missed that.
Yeah.
The road is expected to be 74 kilometers. It will traverse to the cities of
That's
Danao,
expensive.
Mande, Cebu, Tarlac,
I mean, I think.
as well as to the municipalities of Compostela, Liloan, Consolacion, and MINGLANILLA.
Actual drone
The
video.
project is expected to be completed by 2022 before.
See, this video is driving the right way.
Yeah.
Around 300 million was already released to acquire the road.
I'm so
right
confused.
away. Some part of the expressway.
That would definitely be odd.
Area of those mentioned
Different cities drive different ways.
Right.
Include some subway along the way. This is already an ongoing project and thus closer to becoming a reality. 2. Cebu Cordova Link Expressway.
That's beautiful.
See, that one's going
Construction of the
on the
third
right
bridge
side.
to
Yeah.
link Cebu City to
That's
Mactan
beautiful.
Island is already in progress. The project is expected to be completed in mid-2021. Estimated cost of the project is 28 billion.
So 2021, did that get pushed back, or is it almost done, or is it done?
Pacific Tollways Corporation. Same with Metro Cebu Expressway. This project is already close to becoming a reality as construction for the project has already started.
That would be an amazing bridge to drive over.
I think we've seen that bridge.
Like just now?
Well, not just now, but in videos.
A lighted cross on all four sides on top of the two 145-meter.
Be cool to ride a bike over that bridge.
The span and height
That'd
of the
be dope.
bridge, which is at 51 meters, will allow large vessels to pass underneath, and the link is expected to serve at least 50,000 vehicles daily. 3.
Wow.
Isla de la Victoria. Isla de la Victoria,
That's beautiful.
a 350,000 square meters
That is
world-class
so cool.
integrated
Look at
development
this.
Yeah.
is set to erect in the prime SRP, Cebu, Philippines, which will include bars, restaurants, mall, convention center, casino.
Sorry about the glitching of this
theater,
video.
and no less than 3 hotels.
I think it's our internet
From
or our
the
computer.
initial plan of 18 billion, UAE increases its investment to 25 billion for the project. The biggest
25
project to
billion.
date in the South Road properties.
Didn't say he said 30 billion for that roadway, huh?
Yeah.
The city will own 10% of all profits made
Gucci.
for the entire duration. After this, when the lease expires,
That's
the
nice.
Cebu city government will own not just 10%, but
So
everything
basically,
of
it's a
the
place that we won't be able to shop at.
Yeah.
Gucci.
We could go film
We could
there.
be like, check this out. Isn't it nice?
So this is what the new place looks like.
Okay, we're leaving. Sorry. We're leaving. We're leaving. We know we can't afford anything.
government's name is dedicated to a Cebuano, Jojo de la Victoria, who died protecting our waters from dynamite fishermen. Isla de la Victoria will put the spotlight on SRP. It will be the hub for the ferries and cruise ships that will
Sounds like
come,
he's saying
and the
MSRP.
seaplane airline that is already there. It will
That's
be the
beautiful.
shining beacon
Yeah.
of the Visayas. 4. Seaside Arena. The Seaside Arena will have a seating capacity
Wow.
of 16,000, almost as large as Mall of Asia Arena in Manila. It is eyed to become the prime
That was a
venue
beautiful
for
arena.
large events such as major local and international concerts, sports events, international conventions, among others. The Seaside
I like the
Arena
way
will
it's
also
designed.
Yeah.
feature a massive convention center, office towers, and condominiums. The
That's
SMA
cool.
Yala
Condos
Consortium
are gonna be
will
expensive.
pour a total
Hell yeah, they are.
307.2 billion for the 26-hectare Seaside Arena, which will be
Hectic-
constructed in SRP beside the SM
Hectare.
Seaside Complex.
Hect-
It is
hectaker,
expected
whatever
to
it is.
generate 2 million new jobs in years at full development, with
2
target
million
completion
jobs?
in 2025. 5. Emerald Bay MACTAN, the Las Vegas of Cebu. Sprawling on a 13.5.
Oh, that's the
hectare
other thing that we found out is there's actually quite a few casinos throughout the area.
Yeah.
Like, that makes me happy. I love casinos.
I've never been to one.
What? Oh, yeah, you're only 12. My bad.
I'm 13, Dad.
Yeah, I just had my birthday. Leave me alone.
Gano in MACTAN, the Emerald Bay MACTAN
That's
Resort
beautiful.
and Casino is
You know what that
the
looks
first
like?
large-scale
What does that look like?
So they're in Nassau, Bahamas. There's a hotel called Atlantis, and it's got like one of the largest casinos on the bottom. But right here, like what their archway is the Michael Jackson suite, and it's like he was the first person to stay there, and I think they said it's like $9,000 a night to stay in there.
It's nothing.
Even if I had,
Kidding.
if I had $100 million, I wouldn't spend $9,000 a night.
No, that's stupid.
Like, you can give me a bajillion. Well, maybe if I was a bajillionaire, maybe. Nah, probably not.
No.
No.
Gaining
I'd still be
outward
staying here.
hospitality development outside the Philippines capital, Manila. Davao-based businessman Dennis
That's beautiful,
Lee,
though.
the president of PH Resorts Group Holdings, the gaming and tourism holding company of the Udina Group, has fast-tracked the completion of its new casino resort's first phase by the end of 2021.
That's awesome. With the beach right there.
Emerald will initially
You've got little
feature
pools.
830 all-suite rooms, a penthouse, a royal suite, 5 ultra-luxurious villas, 120.
I'd do laps all day on that pool. Just back and forth right here.
And
Just
600
back and
electronic gaming machines.
I was going to say, if the only way you're going to be going back and forth is if they have like a natural tide thing going back and forth while you're floating on your floaty and it's just pulling you back and forth.
Could you imagine, though? Like, I would sit in that pool, even though the beach is right there, to like watch the waves.
I would want to sit on the. I'd want to be like right here.
Yeah, but could you imagine the view?
From here, yes.
Well,
From here, a lot less.
From where you're talking about, you only see water. From there, you see the beach and water.
See what this looks like. It's blocked. Like these things look like they're in the way.
You look like you're stupid.
Is your name Pammed?
So just press play.
The development will also include themed retail
say
outlets,
Pan?
an
Pan or
activity
Pam?
center, and
Pan
extensive
with an
food
N?
and beverage
Pan?
offerings, all in a beach resort setting. 6.
Wow.
Cordova Sentosa of Cebu. The municipality of Cordova
That's
dope.
of MACTAN is being
Take it
groomed
back.
to be the Sentosa
You owe me a
of
Coke,
Cebu.
Jinx.
Sentosa is an island resort off Singapore's southern coast, popularly known as the State of Fun.
That
Just
is
like
awesome.
Sentosa, Cordova
is.
will be positioned as the crown jewel of tourism and business in Metro Cebu. The
There's only a
1,500
few buildings on the
hectare
island,
reclamation
though.
in Cordova
I thought they were gonna say
will be
Metro
developed into an
City.
integrated world-class lifestyle destination featuring
Yeah, there's only 9
cruise
buildings on the
terminal,
island.
marina,
Well, 10 and then
beach,
some smaller ones down there.
eco-parks, golf course, churches,
Ferris wheel up
retail
there.
centers, civic centers, cultural
I'd want to
centers,
live
and
there.
promenades with inland transportation consisting of buses and a train with a railroad.
I wouldn't want to live over here. I'd want to live over there.
Completed by 2028. This multi-billion project
That's
will
a big
compose
project
four
by
artificially made
2028.
islands. 7.
Ming Mori Park.
Business Park in MINGLANILLA. Home of the first world-class theme park in Cebu, the town of MINGLANILLA in southern Cebu has attracted a major investor to construct a $6 billion reclamation project envisioned to modernize the
theme park?
landscape of MINGLANILLA. On July 22nd,
That's what he said, but it-
2020, the Department of Environment and
The first
Natural
world-class
Resources,
themed park?
DNR, has issued an environmental compliance certificate to the 100-hectare MORI Techno Business Park in Cebu. This world-class
Business
estate,
park.
which envisions to provide 75,000 jobs, is a joint venture between the local government of MINGLANILLA and private consortium partners MING MORI Development Corp.
It's a
and
lot of
affiliate
jobs.
publicly listed CLI. 8. Mandani Bay. Mandani
That looks
Bay is a
dope.
130
That does look
billion
dope.
waterfront expansion along MACTAN Channel in
Streets
Mandai
paved
City
in
and
gold.
stretches a gross land area of 20 hectares.
Dude, could you imagine like
It is
living in
designed to
here?
transform Cebu into a worldly acclaimed lifestyle destination and
You have a very weak imagination. Imagine. I can't imagine anything like that, actually. Could you imagine having like a cool car? Nope.
No.
Nope.
Nope.
serve as a focus
No imagination here, homie.
area. This master planned property will have 21
That's beautiful.
towers that will include residential condominiums, office towers, retail areas, a hotel and condotel, and expansive
That's probably the
lifestyle
hotel.
spaces.
Yeah.
The project is
Actually, I wouldn't
subdivided
think that would
into
be a
8
hotel.
lots. Phases and
Looks
is
like a
expected
Sims
to add
game.
10,000 units to Cebu's condominium inventory upon completion in 10 years from the initial 12 to 15-year timeline. Its first phase was launched May 2016. 9. Fourth Cebu
Fourth
MACTAN
Cebu.
Bridge. The fourth Cebu MACTAN Bridge is officially happening as Philippines and Japan formalized the loan agreements amounting to a total of
Is this simulated?
154.1
Look, I pride myself in being honest. That's a weak bridge. Compared to the other
I mean,
buildings.
compared to the other buildings and the other bridge, it does look like just a normal bridge.
yeah.
But there could be something to it that we're not seeing.
Yeah, but I'm making my opinion before I find out. And just like I normally do, I eat my words afterwards.
So, talk rude to him.
Yeah.
billion yen for the fourth Cebu MACTAN Bridge and the Davao City
Ah.
Bypass construction project.
It's a good looking bridge.
Japanese
Much better than the other one.
Koji together with
I knew that wasn't it. I was just trying to be
Junior signed the
kinda troll.
cooperation last June 8th, 2020. Still a part of the Build program of the Duterte administration. The fourth
The build,
bridge is
build.
119.2 billion yen of the loan set aside for it with Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. as its lead agency.
Thank you for creating.
They say it so many times because they're building so much.
That's what I'm saying. It's probably actually called it, and it might not be. It might have been a typo. But since he said it so many times, I would imagine it is called the build, build project.
Nah.
But it could just be the build project, and there was a typo that made him keep saying build project.
I'm thinking it was like with Google Translate. Like it's probably English is probably not their first language, and so they were just having it translated.
Or you're making an assumption, and it's called the build project.
Nah.
So let us know in the comments what this project is called.
Nah.
No, this is awesome, and the fact that it's going to bring millions of jobs. And I mean,
hopefully not too much money on the taxpayers.
Yeah. No, this is super cool.
Because like I know a lot of the stuff that they build here in our area, it's not so much directly on the taxpayers. It's usually for
What was that?
like I don't know. I just reacted like that. I was like, it's not directly on the taxpayers. Like they'll add like a tax on hotel stays and stuff like that, so that the people that live in the areas, like when they built the Dallas Cowboy Stadium. Obviously, the city had to take on some of the debt, but the debt was kind of used on people that are traveling in for the game. So then they're kind of doing all the heavy lifting where the people that live there aren't taking the brunt of the cost. Because that building was like $2 billion.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's crazy. $2 billion stadium?
It's crazy.
Cray.
So crazy.
All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. The YouTube algorithm is what?
You want them to hit that like button?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I was like, what? Yeah, hit the like button so that the YouTube algorithm is triggered by it, and it will send it out to everybody else. Please also, please also hit the subscribe button. Ooh. And please also, if you want to support us directly, hit the join button.
He said join.
With that being said,
my name is Miles.
And my name is Phezz.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
out.